welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a open world. So in this world you can it's an endless world for your character. You can go left, you can go up, you can go down, you can go right, you can go left. You can go anywhere you like. Plus it's an endless world, so how much you go, the world will not end. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to be adding a character in your Scratch. So I'm not going to be adding a character from here. I'll be uploading my own character. So I'll do that. So now I uploaded my character, so I'll be using a pixel cat because my world will be a pixel world. So I'll be choosing a pixel cat. So now we will be adding the background to our world, but we won't be going to the background. We'll be using this sprite. We'll be making this whole world, a sprite. So because we want the character to be on top of the world, and instead of the character moving, we'll make the world move. So the character won't be moving at all, only the world will be moving. So we're going to be going to choose sprite, and then we're going to click on paint. Okay, so paint right here. If you like, you can draw your own world, but I will hover over choose a costume, and I'll upload my own costume. Okay, so now I uploaded my pixel world, which is this. And then before we can do anything else, we'll just go to convert to bitmap. So the reason we need bitmap is that when we're on our process doing our world, we would want to zoom in the world to make it look like this character this cat is in an actual world, walking everywhere, to make sure that the world is bigger than the cat. So when we're zooming in, if we're in vector, it'll be blurry, but then if we convert to bitmap, it'll be clear. So I suggest using bitmap. Okay, so now that we're done our map pixel world, we're gonna start doing the code. And if you guys like, I can keep these images in the description below. Alright, so now let's continue. Alright, so first things first, when you guys notice, it's all that, so you might notice that this character is behind the background and it's not showing up. So to fix that problem, we're gonna go to looks, scroll down, and we're gonna get this block called go to front layer, and then we're gonna switch it to back layer. That means this background is gonna be the back layer, so that this character will be visible. Alright, now for the code to actually work, we're gonna go when flag clicked. Alright, good. Now in order for this world to zoom in, we will go to costumes and delete this one. We're gonna get another sheet, and all we're gonna do is let's choose a random color and just do one tiny dot. So make sure that it's not on the character. Okay, so one tiny dot, that's all. Now we're gonna switch costume to a blank costume in the looks. So over here, I'm gonna look for switch costume to costume 1. Costume. Okay, so we'll switch it right here. We're not gonna connect it to this. Okay, so now give me a second. Okay, so now if we want this world to be big, we can just change the size here. But but we want this world to be like 1,000, the size to be 1,000, but then there's only a limit for the size, which means we can't make this world bigger. So we have a solution for that. So we're gonna get this block saying set size to 100%, and then instead of 100, we're gonna change it to 1,000. And now, as you can see, when you click on it, we can set the size to 1,000. It works. Alright, now we don't want the background to always be this blank costume. So we're gonna go again, switch costume to blank costume, but this time we're gonna do the pixel world. And now when we run it, you see we had this pixel world zoomed in and the size is 1,000, which is what we want. Alright, now we're gonna add this when flag click so that it can work when we click on this flag. Alright, now we want this world to move, and in order for that, we're gonna get 4 of these blocks. Okay, so now one will be an up arrow, the other one will be down arrow, the other one will be a right arrow, and then the last one will be left arrow. So for that to happen, we're gonna go to motion, and then we're just gonna test out some stuff. So in order for this map to move, we're gonna use these only 2 blocks. Change X by and change Y by. So let's test out it. So change X by 10. We're gonna try it out. So right now it looks like this is going left. So we're gonna put this block when left arrow key pressed. Now when you press on here, it's going left. And when we long press it, it's totally going left. Alright, we're done with this. Now we'll have to figure out for the when right arrow key pressed. So let's get this again, and this time we're going to do -10, and we're gonna put it here. Now it's going right, left. Now we got these 2 keys working, but if you want it to go faster, we're gonna do -20 and then +20 right here. Now we're gonna go faster. Good. Now we're done using the change X by block. Now we're gonna be using change Y by block. So again, we're gonna change it to +20 so it can go faster. So when we look at this, it looks like it's going down. So we're gonna put this when down arrow key pressed. Now when we click on the down arrow key, it's going down. And then it's the same thing for the when up arrow key pressed. Instead of change Y by 20, it's gonna be change Y by -20. So we're gonna get that, type it in, and then there we go. We're done. So you can see now it's an endless world. And also, if you'd like something, if you'd like this pixel background, and if you'd like this pixel cat, I'll make sure that I'll keep these 2 in the description below so that you can access these images too. And also, if your pixel cat image is too small, you can always go to costumes. You can always use this button right here. Click on this, select the cat. Okay, just give me a second. So this thing. Now select the cat like this, and you could always make it big. You see, we can make it big if you like, or you can make it small if it's too big, and then the size will be saved like that. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So see you on the next video. Bye!